When making things, it's impossible to create them exactly as planned. They always have some differences in size, shape, position, and orientation. If these differences become too big, it can make the item less useful for its intended purpose. When manufacturers try hard to minimize these differences to make the item more usable, it usually ends up being very costly to produce and difficult to sell. In a competitive environment, companies strive to find the most economical ways to produce their products. This includes taking advantage of the latest advancements in technology and techniques. To do this effectively, the drawing tolerances must specify all the properties of the workpiece, such as size, shape, orientation, and location. By providing complete tolerances, the manufacturer can then select the most cost-effective production method based on factors like the number of pieces needed and the available production methods. To achieve both precision and cost effectiveness in production, it is important to have drawings that specify all the necessary tolerances for the workpiece. This is especially crucial in a competitive environment. However, including individual tolerances for every aspect of the workpiece can make the drawing overloaded and difficult to read. That's why it is common to use general tolerances. When it comes to general tolerances, they should be set to be at least as large as the typical accuracy achieved in a workshop. The customary workshop accuracy refers to the tolerances that the workshop can consistently meet using normal machinery and effort. It is important to note that using larger tolerances doesn't provide any additional advantage in terms of manufacturing efficiency. The level of accuracy in a workshop depends on the machinery used, specifically the equipment that produces the largest deviations. However, it's important to address any exceptional cases separately. The customary workshop accuracy is generally consistent within a specific industry, meaning workshops in the same field tend to have similar levels of accuracy.